Hello children, welcome back. Now I am taking 10th class sets, second chapter. Already I have started. Before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about the proverb. The proverb is better today, good tomorrow. So when you talk about positive, comparative, superlative degrees of comparison, good, better, best. So, better today means good tomorrow. Means when you are talking about in English grammar, better has got more value than good. That means what, children? If you want tomorrow good for you, you should be more cautious today. You should be better today. Then you will have good tomorrow. What is this better, children? This better in your planning. You are students. Your planning is only studies. So you should plan your studies in such a way that tomorrow you are able to answer or reproduce what you have learned today. That is possible only when your performance is, it reaches to the utmost level. So be cautious, children. If you do the better today, tomorrow you will get good. See, better, good, better, best. But if you are more work, if you have done, more cautious you are, you can do up to the mark. If you want much more, you should be the best. So, understand, children? And always pay all your total concentration towards your studies when you are studying. Of course, you need some time to have some enjoyment also in your life. I am not saying that always go towards the studies, but when you are doing a work, have a work in the sense for your studies, have total concentration on your studies. Don't wander, make your mind to wander here and there. That concentration will make you to absorb more things from your book that leads to your good success and best performance. Let us come back to our studies, children. Now, this is Telangana State Syllabus, 10th class, second chapter I am dealing, that is sets. In this sets, I have already explained you about what are the various, means what is the difference between sets and collection in the previous video. If you see, you can understand. And the main very important topic which I have discussed is about roster form and set builder form. How a set builder form should be done with a roster form. How a roster form should be written by using set builder form. So basing on those topics, you have got the exercise 2.1. So let us talk about exercise 2.1. So the first one is, which of the following are sets? So the question is, which are sets? And you have to justify them. Whether they are sets or not, you have to justify. So let us see the first one. The first one is dealing with collection of months. I am writing a small part of the question, children. Collection of months, which are having beginning with letter J. With letter J. So what can you write, children? With the letter J means you have got January. January is the month. Then February, March, April, May, June. Then July, August, September, October, November, December. In any other months, J is not there. So these are the three names that you could write here. Can you consider it as a set or not, children? I have told you about set and collection. A collection is a group which has no relation among the elements present in them. But in sets that relation will be there. We call them as well-defined collections. So we will say that it is well-defined. It is well-defined. Therefore, it is a set. This is the first bit. And second bit, a collection of most talented writers. Talented writers of India, they are saying. See children, here, talent is not a property of somebody. Talent keeps on changing. If one person has a talent, after few years, maybe some other person who is having the same type of talent but much more better way than this, then the name of this person will be replaced by the other person. So here what happened is, we cannot restrict ourselves to individuals. Just like when you see the first one, at any time, any year, anywhere, these are the 3 months, June, January, June, July, you will never change them. So they are constant. So you can consider them as sets. But here, what is happening? Okay, now at present, suppose in this moment, who are all the best writers? We will get it. This person is he is best in this particular topic. He is best in this particular topic. Like that, we can divide them, and according to topic wise, we can select the best one. But who knows? After few years, there may be somebody else who might be much more better than this person. Then definitely the name will change, Then how can you say that it is a well-defined set? It is not a well-defined set. So we will say that it is not a well-defined set. Well-defined. It is not a well-defined set, we can say. Therefore, it is not a set. We cannot consider it as a set. Next, we will see the third one. Third one, a team of 11 best cricket men. 11 best cricket men. Here also the same explanation, children. Cricket men at this particular, in one what you can say, tournament, there might be some people who are achieving the best performance, who have done the best performance, and they have become the best. Who knows, the next time they will be there. There may be somebody else who will come in their place. So you cannot constantly take those names. So the names may be differing according to tournament to tournament. So cricket match, from one match to another match, it might be changing. Today he is the best cricketer, might be. On the other match, other person might have performed much more better than this person. In that case, that person's name will be included here. So you will be getting, see, number will be, suppose you wanted to take first 11 number will be same, but the elements, that means the name of the persons that are included in that will change according to the situation, according to the match by match, the names will change. So definitely that particular set cannot be considered as a well-defined set. So we will say that it is not well-defined. Therefore, it is not a set. Next, fourth one, collection of boys in your class. Boys in your class. In your class, boys means you are talking about that particular moment. So definitely, say suppose now you are in 10th class. Okay, you tell me the names of your class boys, means you can say all the names, they are constant. Of course, in the next year, of course, that might be different. But at present, since you are in 10th class, when you are completing 10th class, up to in this particular class, the specification given is class. So now you are in 10th class. So in your 10th class, who all are the boys? It's a constant one. So we will say that it is well defined. It is well defined. Therefore, it is a set. Next, fifth one, collection of even integers. Even integers. You know, children, integers may be even positive, is it, or only collection of even integers. Okay, integers are positive and negative, and in that you can collect even integers, you can collect odd integers. They will never change them. Only the thing is, there is no end for them. Continuously you will be writing. That is why you will keep 3 dots there. A positive even integers means 2, 4, 6, 8 dots you will get. Or -2, -4, -6, 8, -8, so on you will be keeping. That means what? They are constant. You are not going to change them at all. But what is going to change? What is happening here? What is the difference here between before when you compare with the earlier sets? Here it is unending. That's all. Even though they are unending, the relation is definite and it is constant. So we will be calling them as definite. It is a well defined set. It is well defined. Therefore, it is a set. So I hope you have understood, children. You can copy it. Now we will go to the next topic, second problem. What is the second problem? Now, second problem is, you have got if A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 3, 5, 7 and C is equal to P, Q, R. These are the 3 sets given. You have to fill them with appropriate symbols, these 2. What do you mean by this, children? This means belongs to, and this means does not belong to. What do you mean by this, children? Means whatever set, I'll tell you with example. First bit, if you have got first bit 0 and dash A, you have got 0 is an element. This element, if it is present in A, you will say it belongs to. If it is not present in A, you will write it does not belong to. So 0 is present, so you will be keeping belongs to. Now, second one, 3 with C. In C, 3. There is no number 3, it is only letters. So you will write does not belong to. Now, the third bit is 4 in B. In B, is there 4 children? No. So, it does not belong to. Next, fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? The fourth bit is 8 in set A. Do you have 8? No. So, does not belong to. Now, fifth one. P in set C. Of course, P is there in set C, so you will write belong. Now, sixth one, 7 in B. Do you have 7? Yes. So, it belongs. So, children, I hope you have understood the second one. And the third one, express the following statements using the symbol. The first one is X does not belongs to. X does not belong to. Does not belong to A, he said. How will you put it in symbolic form? You will write X does not belongs to A. Next, second one. D is an element of set B. D is an element of set B. How will you write? D is an element of set B means D belongs to B, as I have explained here. Now, the third bit, I, 1 I think it is. 1 belongs to set of natural number. 1 belongs to set of natural number. What I will write, children? 1 belongs to n, natural number. Okay. Now, fourth bit. 8 does not belong to set of prime numbers. 8 does not belong to set of prime numbers. Prime numbers P. So what will I write, children? 8 does not belong to. 8 does not belong to. So I hope you have understood, children, these two bits where they say that here in this what is the main important thing that you should learn? The symbol of belong to and does not belong to. Belongs to and does not belong to. Okay, children? Write down, copy. Now, we'll go to the next problem. Second, third, I have done. Now, we will be seeing the next one, that is fourth problem. State whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. You have to write about true or false and justify. You have to justify your answer. So, what is it, children? First one, 5 is 5 does not belong to set of prime number. 5 does not belong to set of prime number is the question. Tell me. 5 is a prime number. So it is a false statement. The reason is 5 is a prime number. This is the reason. Second bit. 5 is S is equal to 5, 6, 7. S is equal to 5, 6, 7 and it implies 8 belongs to S. Is it true, children? No, it is false. Why? Because 8 is not an element in S. 8 is not the element. So how can you say that it is true? Next, third one. -5 does not belong to whole number. Okay? W is the set of whole number. So what you will say? Yes, it is true. Why are you saying whole numbers are positive? So all whole numbers are positive. So you cannot positive except 0, of course. You will say 0, you cannot give any sign to it. Next. Now fourth one. The fourth one here, 8 by 11 belongs to integer. 8 by 11 belongs to integer. Is it true, children? False. Why? 8 by 11 is a rational number. So you cannot call this as this. So these are the 4 bits for this, children. So I hope you have understood. Just copy the fourth problem. Now we will go to the fifth one. Now fifth problem. Write the following sets in roster form. You have to write the following sets in roster form. The first one, b is equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. Smaller than 6. This is given to you. This is called set builder form. So set builder form, convert it into roster form. So b is equal to x such that x is not a x is a natural number. NAT means natural. I have written the abbreviation. X is natural number smaller than 6. So natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it said smaller than 6, I should not take 6. These are the this is the set builder roster form of B. Next, C is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit number. X is a 2-digit number, 2-digit natural number, 2-digit natural number, and such that sum of digits, natural numbers, sum of digits is 8. So I hope you have understood the question, children. We have to take elements in such a way that it is a 2-digit number. That is, it should start with 10, 2-digit number, and at 99. So 10 to 99 are 2-digit natural numbers. He is talking about natural numbers. So what is the rule that he has given? That when you take the two numbers and add them, the sum should be 8. The two numbers if you add, you should get 8. So we'll start with the 1. 1 and what else I take 8, I will get 1 and 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then we go to 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then we go to 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then we go to 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then you go to 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then you go to 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you go to 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then you go to 8. 8 plus 0, we don't get it now. So 0 is not there in natural number. So we will be stopping up to this only. So all 2-digit numbers where their sum is 8 you are supposed to write, and we have written. Now go to the third bit. D is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So first you know the divisor of 60, no children? Divisors of 60. What are the values that you can divide? You can divide 60 with 1 60s are, then 2 30s are, 3 20s are, 4 15s are, then 5 12s are, 6 10s are, then again you will be getting 12 5s are. So these all are divisors. Means what? We will get 60. When you divide this by any of these numbers, you are getting 0 as a reminder. So these are all called, we can say, divisors of 60. But in this, we have to talk about prime divisor. Prime divisor is considered as a set D. So out of this, what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers is 2, 3, 5. So this is your answer, children. This is not the answer, but without this you cannot write this. You should have all the elements with you, then you can select according to the set, according to the requirement of the set. The set is asking you to find out prime numbers which is divisible by 60. All prime numbers, what are the prime number which is divisible by 60 means, first you should know how many numbers are, what are the divisors of 60, first you should know. So that only we have written here. After writing this, which are prime in it, because the question is demanding about the prime number. So what is prime in it? 2 is prime, 3 is 5, 5 is prime. So 2, 3, 5 is your answer, children, here. Now the next one, it is E is equal to x such that x is an alphabet, x is an alphabet in better, B-E-T-T-E-R. In this better, what is element x? So how will you write? Directly you can say, you can write B here, B comma E comma T comma R you will write, because the remaining letters, this is repeating, this is repeating. So this is your answer, children. So these are the answers for fifth bit. Now you have sixth bit. First you write on this fifth bit, then I will give you the sixth bit. Now let us talk about sixth bit. Sixth problem, write set builder form. In the earlier case, we have written roster form by seeing the set builder form. Now, set builder form you have to write by taking the roster form. So, first one you have got elements 3, 6, 9, 12. So, here the main task occurs to you, children. Writing from set builder form to roster form, it's okay, because the relation they have given, so very easily you can write. But here what is happening, they have given the numbers. So first your task is identify what is the relation among the elements. because he has clearly mentioned that it is a set. Definitely there will be some relation between the elements. So first your task is identify the relation between them. After identifying the relation, you can write the set builder form very easily. So let us see here. 3, 6, 9, 12. What can I do? 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. So what am I getting? They have not given any names. So let me give a name for it as set A. So A is equal to, what did I understand? It is multiple of 3. I will say 3n, such that n belongs to natural number and n value is less than equal to 4. What am I saying here? That means let us have whether we are correct or not. What did I say? N is less than equal to 4 means I should take n as 1, 2, 3, 4. I said what? 3n. 3n means 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. Did I not get the same elements, children? So, this kind of identifying the relation is very important. Next, let me go to the second bit. Second bit elements given as 2, 4, 8, 16, 30. So here also, when you are talking about the relation, let me understand. I will call it as B set, children. So B is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That means 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 32. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So you can write 2 to the power of n such that n belongs to natural number and n is less than equal to 5. So you can even guess, find it out. 2 to the power of n. N is less than equal to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values I am taking. So 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 6, 2 cube 8, 2 to the power of 4 is, how much you will be getting? 2 to the power of 4 that is 16, then 2 to the power of 5 that is 16 into 2, 32. So you have got 2 to the power of n, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32. So you have got the numbers as it is. So the given one is correct. Whatever you have done, you have checked it, that is right. Now let us go to the next bit. What is the next bit? Third bit. Third bit, it 5, 2, 25, 125, 625. These are the numbers given to you. So let me call it as C. C is equal to here 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4. So 5 to the power of n such that n belongs to natural number and n is less than equal to 5. No children, it is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power of 4. So n is less than equal to 4. Now let us find out its value. N value I have taken as less than equal to 4 I have taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 to the power of n. So 5 to the power of 1, 5, 5 square 25, 5 cube. You will be getting 25 into 5, that is 125. So 5 cube is 125 and 5 to the power of 4, 125 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 1s are 5, 6. So 625 you will be getting. So you see children, these all are the same values. You have got 525, 125, 625. So this is your answer. Now Let us go to the next problem. Fourth bit is, you have got 1, 4, 9, then 16, 25, so on up to 100. So how can you find? Let me say take this fourth one as the fourth bit here is D is equal to. So what I am getting, D is equal to, see children, the relation if you want to find out, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, so on up to the last one, 1 square, that is 1, n square n, that n belongs to n, and n is less than equal to 10 because 10 square is equal to 100. So this is the value that you are getting it here. So let us see whether it is correct or not. In this, you check it. That is 1 square is 1, 2 square means 2 2s are 4, then 3 3s are 9, 16, like that. So with this is the fourth bit, children, that I have done. Now we are going to do the seventh, the next bit. Seventh, it is roster form. This is also, once again, you are going to write the roster form. The first question here is A is equal to x such that x is natural number and which is greater than 50 and it is less than 100. Greater than 50 but less than 100. So how will you write? Set A is equal to natural number greater than 50. Greater than 50 means what you are going to take? You should take 51, 52, 53, so on up to 99 because 100 less than 100, no, less than 100 means you have to take 99. Second bit, B is equal to x such that x is an integer. X is an integer. X square is 4, less than x square is equal to 4. So x square is equal to 4. That means x is equal to root 4. That means what you are getting? Root 4 means x is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. So these are the values for x square, x value. So what we are getting, children, here? B is equal to, you are getting plus 2 or minus 2. Plus 2 or minus 2. Here, as the set forms, you can write it as, instead of r, what you can do? Plus, you can write a comma, children, here. Okay, so plus 2 or here we will write a r, or r. But here in the set we will be keeping bracket as comma. Minus 2, plus 2, comma, minus 2. Now go for the C bit. What is C bit, children, here? The C bit, x such that, D bit it is, x such that x is a letter in LOYAL, loyal. So what is this, children? D is equal to LOYL. LOYA. L we don't write because L is repeating, so we don't write LOYA. Next bit, E is equal to x such that x is equal to 2x square plus 1 minus 3 less than equal to 3. N belongs to integer. So the problem is 2n square x such that x is equal to 2n square plus 1. So here what is n value, children? N is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the values given for n. Minus equality is there, so we'll take minus 3 and 3. Now, let us find the values. N is equal to, suppose we are taking first, n is equal to, this is value they have given, 2 into minus 3 square plus 1, 2 into 9, 18 plus 1, that is 19. Next, 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 1, 2 into 4 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, that is 9. Next, 2 into minus 1 square plus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next, 2 into 0 plus 1, 0 square, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then 2 into 1 whole square plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next, 2 into 2 square plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, 9. Next, 2 into 3 square plus 1, 2 into 9 plus 1, 18 plus 1, 19. So, the values are E is equal to, we'll start in an order, that is 1, 3, 9, 19. They are repeating, no? So, the same value. So, once we are writing it, 1, 3, 9, 19 is the answer for this bit, children. This all, if you do it only, you will get it. Okay. Now, the next one we'll do. Please copy it. Now, the next one is 8th sum. Now, the 8th bit. Here is match the following. What is match the following given here, children? First one, 2, 3, and they are in 1, 2, 3, 6. This is the first bit kept in flower brackets, and second one, 2, 3, and third one, MATHEICS. Fourth bit, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now here you are having, here let me write brackets so that you can write the answers there. And A bit is X such that X is a prime number, a divisible of 6. B. X such that X is an odd number smaller than 10. C. X such that X is a natural number and divisible divisor of 6. Next, D. X such that X is a letter in mathematics. MATHEMATICS. TICS. So let us match 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are all where we will be getting x is a prime number. It is 2 and 1 and 6 are not prime number, so we cannot take that. And second one is odd, and third one natural numbers we can take, and divisor of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are divisor of 6, so C is the answer. Now second bit, prime divisors. So in this prime divisors are 2 and 3, so this is A bit. Then third mathematics, D bit. Then ninth one, this fourth one is, of course, it is 1357, odd smaller than 1 B. So for smaller than 10 B. So with this I am completing, children. This chapter is completed. We'll do the next one in the next class. 2.1 I have completed, children. Next we will do in the next class.